really be a photo shoot if we didn't do the most iconic picture that we have? Today is the big day. It's the big day for you all. It's a big day for us. You are finally going to see what color we wrapped the Corvette. The new car to the channel. The new daily. It's amazing. Don't mind all this white on my sweatshirt. The daughter was playing with nail polish and it got everywhere, all right? But before I show you the Corvette, let's just get a nice little cold start, shall we? So we're here at our favorite photo shoot spot. Sorry for the wind. Hopefully it's not too bad. But there's a white Mustang. Just taking pictures right now of the Corvette. But I think it's about time for you guys to see it. I really do. So without further ado, here you go, fellas. The new Corvette. Get me out! Would it really be a photo shoot if we didn't do the most iconic picture that we have? But I mean, really, isn't this just beautiful? It's just beautiful. The sun, oh, the sun. The Mustang do be looking sweet though. Time to get some food, and it's time to get some rollers. So, ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. The new C8 for the channel, looking fresh in this matte green. Looks perfect. And that's going to end today. But tomorrow, we're probably going to keep this in the same video. Tomorrow, we're taking it out to the car meet and everything like that. Going to show some people the car. And hopefully they don't spoil it before you guys see this video. So, I'll see you guys in the morning. Today, we got a good day going. All right, we're about to open up the garage, get out the new C8. Beautiful, taking her to our first car meet with the car since it's been, actually, at all. Today starts our quest to get 500 miles. The wife, she's playing Air Force. She's a drill. So she is doing her duties for the weekend. So it's daddy-daughter weekend. And I can't think of a better thing to do than just cruise around with her. She absolutely loves this car and just have fun. Go stop at a couple car meets on the way and just have a good time. Nothing crazy, but we're going to get our 500 miles today. But you know what time it is. Cold start. She's ready to go, boys. This is all perfectly legal, okay? It's perfectly fine. It's allowed to happen. It's okay. We're not doing anything stupid. She's gonna be perfectly fine. All right. Are you ready to go? You excited? Okay. All right, fellas, so we're at 191 miles right now. This drive's gonna be 26 miles, so we got a lot to do today. But it is only 7:44, and we got a long day ahead of us. So we're not gonna do anything crazy. We're not gonna, try to do it in 3 hours. Like I want 100. No, like we're just cruising around. Like as you can tell, we're in 4-cylinder mode right now. And we're just putting along, and yeah, let's see if we can get that 500 miles. All right, so quick update: 257 miles. We dropped the baby off at my parents' house. They want to take her to some like dance recital show. So I was like, cool, not a problem. Now it's time to really get some miles in on the car. I do like driving with my daughter in the car. I think it's awesome. I love spending the time with her. But I mean, I'm very responsible when she's in the car. I do not push the car. I do not go over the speed limit at all, which I never do anyway. But just, you know what I mean? Now I'm gonna try to knock these miles out. It's really hard for her to be in the car for that long. So now we're gonna try to knock these miles out and yeah, see if we can go.
All right, fellas, check this out. You don't see this every day. The DeLorean. Look at that. This is just amazing. Amazing. You'd never see this. But perks of having awesome car friends.
Alright, quick little update. We are now at 343 miles. Yeah, today didn't go as planned, but we're still driving. But now we got the wifey with us. Ayo. So, about to go hit up the local car meet and yeah, surprise some people. And what I mean by that is at the time that we're filming this, no one knows the color of the car. So anyone that does see it, if you're seeing it today, not in the video today, don't ruin the surprise.
All right, so we're out here at the car meet. We were down there. People started doing burnouts and everything like that. So now we're going to go inside to Walmart. And just as we go to do that, as you guys can see right there, 2 state troopers. Well, hello, boys. Getting them, shutting this thing down real quick. Sucks to suck. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're back from the car meet. It was a great time. We drove some roads. Couldn't really film it. I don't have the phone mount in the Corvette yet. So I have to put it up, but I just haven't put it up yet. Waiting for the tint to fully dry first. But if you did enjoy today's video, make sure you smash that like button. Definitely subscribe. Tell anyone and everyone you know to hop on the Dad Bod Season train. Join the Dad Bod Season family, and I will see you all next time. Dad Bod Season out.